Alright guys, just a quick little thing on my Alienware R12. Just showing you that I did add an extra fan, and you are able to move the hard drive down. I'll show you a picture of the fans I went with, and I just used double-sided tape to bolt that up there. It does run at about 10 degrees Celsius cooler. Just mounting that. I haven't done the top fan yet. But if you look, I removed the hard drive. Okay, I just moved the hard drive from here, and I just removed the extra wires, and I just moved it down to here, and I have it off right now. The light's off right now. I'll turn them on. Sorry about the camera work here. So you just move it down here. All you have to do is, when it's on its side and you're installing it, is to just pull the tabs off the base here, and then this will bolt right in on the bottom. Now, I haven't seen any videos on this, so I thought I'd just do a quick one, put it up there. Again, dual fans. I cleaned up the wires the best I could. I went with LEDs because why not? They're pretty inexpensive Corsairs. I'll show you what I got. And again, I just mounted it here. It's pretty snug, but plenty of clearance in there. And the tabs, if I can show you tabs, see those tabs right here? Those black tabs, there's one right here. On the back side here, right here. And then there's one here and one here. There's them on the back side. You can just pry those down and just drop the bottom a little bit, the base, and that thing will slide right in. The fans that I went with, I haven't done the top fan yet, but I just went with Corsair. I got these from Best Buy for like 30 bucks. If you guys have any questions, just let me know.